Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup haul, so if you would like to see some of the things that I picked up, please keep watching. So I feel like whenever I do like an online makeup haul, I feel like I always have something from Kylie and I can't help it. Like, I love everything that she comes out with except for the velvets. I don't like those. I've talked about that before. But she came out with a new set of her high glosses, so I wanted to grab those. I think the packaging is super cute. This one, oh my gosh, I'm about to wear it right now because it's still summer and it kind of matches my shirt. So this one right here is in the shade Slept On. I love how big the doe foot is. It's gonna be really hard to show you guys like swatches of gloss because I feel like gloss just never really shows up. But this is like the same color as my shirt but with like gold glitter in it. This next one is like a pale pink with silver glitter. This is in the shade Lost Angel. You can see here. Then we have another one I think would be really pretty for summer. This is in the shade I'm the Catch. It's like a bronzy shade. Bronzy gold shade. Right here. Then I think this one will also be really pretty for summer. This is called My Moon and Stars. I mean, you can wear these whenever, but this one kind of reminds me of the original Fenty Gloss Bomb, like the shade of it anyways, and this one has like little specks of like silver glitter in it. Hopefully you guys can see the shades. And then the last one is just a clear gloss. This is in the shade Crystal. Ooh, and it's like super like watery. I bet this is gonna make lips look huge. It's super, super like, what's the word? It's over here. It's like wet looking, which is exactly what I wanted. Next up, I have the Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow 3 palette. I love these. I think I have all of them. So they come in like a little book like this. And then they just open up like so. So this one has blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. And then this is the only thing I got from her birthday collection. I got the You're So Money Baby eyeshadow palette. I just didn't really, like, I liked the stuff that was in the collection, but this is the only thing that stuck out to me, so I just went ahead and got this. And like, oh my god, I'm pretty sure the entire birthday collection was like 300 bucks, and like, I can't. Like, that is just like ridiculous to me. The only time I'm willing to spend like 200 bucks on Kylie is her holiday collection, like the Christmas one, because I love it. I bought it the last 2 years and I love everything about it, but this birthday collection, I just couldn't, this is the only thing I bought. Like, I just couldn't get into the other products. But I think I'm gonna keep this packaging because it's like a pink glitter and I think it's really cute. You open it up and there's like some money. So this is the palette. It's the same as the packaging, and then all the names are listed on the back. And then this is what the palette looks like. I love this. This little money right here, a mirror, but all these shades. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this. I think I'm gonna do like a pink and lime green eye. I think that would be really pretty. So yeah, I'm super excited. The only thing I noticed though is like whenever I buy her eyeshadow palettes that kind of look like this, like not the ones that are like horizontal laid out, like the Royal Peach palette and then the Bronze Extended palette, like those, or even like the little square ones. Like, I feel like the shadows in there are pressed in there really nice, and then I feel like whenever I get these shadow pans that look like this, like even from the holiday collection, I feel like they're just not pressed in there very well. Like this one down here called Breaking Records has like a bump in it, and then like some of the like pressed glitter shades are kind of like chunky in there. I don't know, maybe that's how it's supposed to look, but to me it kind of just looks rushed, I guess is what I'm saying. Next up, I have some Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. I think that's what that says. Biotic Balancing Complex. This is the pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Isn't that the stuff that you use to like make people pass out? Anyway, so this says it's for all skin types. It says it's pH balanced yogurt cleanser. Apply on damp skin and gently massage to get rid of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. Use AM and PM. So I'm excited for this. I've never tried anything. Like, I don't think I've ever tried any skincare that's like a pH balance thing. So I'm excited for this. Then I have this Honeymoon Glow from Farmacy. This is the AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm actually gonna wait till after I have this baby to try this out. Just because it says it has like acid in it and stuff, and like right now I've noticed that if I try to use like a vitamin C serum, it like burns my skin. So I've been like really basic with my skincare lately. I've been using the same face wash and the same daytime moisturizer and the same like nighttime moisturizer, and so far my skin looks really good throughout this pregnancy. So I've been keeping it like super minimal skincare all the time, so I don't want to like use something like this and then my skin has a reaction and stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I've been trying to not buy as much skincare just because I feel like my skin is so sensitive regardless if I'm pregnant or not pregnant. And as much as I love trying new things, like a lot of things just don't work for me and it's not worth breaking out over. But I did want to pick up a few things just because I haven't purchased skincare in a while. But this says a powerful multi-correctional night serum that resurfaces skin for a smoother, youthful looking, glowing complexion. Formulated with 14% AHA and BHA flower acids to exfoliate and proprietary. Oh god, we'll be here all day if I do that. Honey blend to hydrate. A first of its kind, this serum is formulated with the AHA BHA flower acid blend that effectively resurfaces dull skin to help reveal a healthy looking complexion. So I'll probably need this after baby. And then it reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, while gentle flower acids smooth and retexturize skin. This might be good for the winter time. Perfect for all skin types. This formula is infused with hydrating honey and hyaluronic acid to ensure skin is never dry or stripped. And it says to use, apply a generous layer 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin at night, avoiding eyes and lips. Use 2 to 3 times a week. This might be good for like mature skin too, actually. Just want to see what it looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. It kind of reminds me of Dr. Hauschka's stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to wait. Let me know if you've tried this though in the comments below, and like what your skin type is and like what you think, because I'm like super curious. And then at some point when I was shopping on KylieCosmetics.com, she had buy one get one free lip kits. So I have these two right here. This one is Show Off and it's kind of like a peachy shade. Well, it's a peachy shade, but I love her lip kits. Ooh, this matches my shirt perfectly. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. And we have the matching lip liner. So that's what that one looks like. Again, this is called, I already forgot, Show Off. The other one I have is on Wednesdays and it's a hot pink shade. Or it's not super hot pink. Actually, this looks pretty wearable. I felt like it looked hot pink on the website, but it's not as hot pink as I thought. Like I said, this looks like it's pretty wearable. Sometimes like the hot pink lipsticks that I have are just like in your face, you know. This is pretty. And then the lip liner right next to it. Then I have this. This actually came in BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I wanted to add it to this video because I feel like I've heard a lot of people talk about this, but I wanted to see if you guys have tried it. This is from Thrive Cosmetics and it's the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara Length Plus Volume. Has the Orchid Stem Cell Complex. So I just wanted to throw this in here, like I said, to ask you guys if you guys have tried it and what you think, because I feel like whenever I've heard the name Thrive Cosmetics, people are always tying it to a mascara, but I'm not sure if it's this one or there's another one or what the deal is. But let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below, please. I have 2 things left. I'm going to show you guys this one, and then I'm going to show you like my favorite thing from this entire haul. I cannot wait to show you guys. Anyways, so I have this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I actually have her cafe palette. Is that what it's called? what is it? It's like her very first eyeshadow palette that she ever came out with. Like I have that and I really like it. So I wanted to try one of her glosses. And then I just saw too that she's coming out with one that's like a cosmic type palette and I have to get it. Like I have to. But anyways, so this one's in the shade Peach Tea. It's giving me like Too Faced vibes. And this is the packaging. I think it's her lemonade gloss. Oh, this one's good. And it is like a flat doe foot. Showing you guys glosses and you probably won't be able to see it. It feels kind of sticky actually, which doesn't really bother me, but it smells good. It's a really pretty like baby pink shade. Sorry again, you're probably like, I can't see it, but it's pretty. So like I said, I saved the best for last. When I saw Trend Mood post this, I was like, oh my god. I even set an alarm on my phone and I like never do that. This is the Pure Times Barbie eyeshadow palette. You guys, oh my goodness. Like this by far might be my favorite eyeshadow packaging ever. Look at this. I don't know if you're really gonna be able to tell, but it has like little like pebbles almost and glitter, and it's rough feeling, let me tell you. But like there's just so much like texture and detail in this palette. I think it is gorgeous. So this is what the palette looks like when you open it up, and then it's just a little card. There's the mirror, and the mirror looks super like clear, and then these are the shades. Sorry, you're probably gonna have a hard time seeing it. I'm so excited for this shade right here. I can't even deal. This is like a party palette. Like I feel like this is like the palette you would use if you were like doing like a birthday celebration or something, but I cannot wait to play with this. So that's everything for my makeup haul. As always, let me know if you guys have tried any of these products in the comments below and what you guys think. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.